Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Pavilion 15BC for 50NS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Pavilion 15BC for 50NS is running dead slow and takes forever to open anything, you're not alone. This is a common issue often caused by a failing hard drive or an outdated SSD. If left unattended, the performance can deteriorate further, leading to complete system failure, which can be frustrating and costly. To tackle this problem, we'll be replacing the old SSD with a new one that will breathe new life into your machine. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an M2 SSD, an anti-static wrist strap, and a spudger tool. Ensure you have a clean workspace to prevent any loss of screws or parts. First, let's safely open the laptop. Begin by turning off your device and unplugging it. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the base cover. Be gentle when prying open the cover with the spudger to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Once open, locate the SSD. It's usually situated near the battery. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To replace the SSD, unscrew it with the Phillips screwdriver and gently disconnect it from the slot. Take your new M2 SSD and insert it into the slot at an angle, then secure it with the screw you just removed. Be careful not to over-tighten the screw, as this can damage the SSD or the motherboard. Once the new SSD is in place, reconnect any cables you may have temporarily disconnected during the process. Now it's time to close the laptop. Carefully align the base cover and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the cover. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, power on your device and check that the new SSD is recognized in the BIOS. If you notice any issues, double-check your connections and that the SSD is properly seated. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, consider upgrading your software regularly and maintaining adequate storage space on your SSD. Keep your system free of unnecessary files and programs that could slow it down. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.